Hey, iPhone users, tired of using the same old apps? Today I'm sharing 3 powerful and underrated iOS apps you've probably never tried, but once you do, there's no going back. Let's dive in. First up, Ark Browser. This isn't just another browser. Ark is super clean, minimalist, and incredibly fast. Unlike Safari or Chrome, Ark lets you organize tabs with ease, and even split your screen to multitask like a pro. If you browse a lot on your phone, Ark is a total game changer. Next is Notion AI, a smart note-taking app that goes way beyond simple notes. It helps you write faster, summarize info, generate content ideas, and even build to-do lists with AI assistance. If you're a student, a content creator, or just love organizing your life, Notion plus AI is your best friend. Last app is Wakeout. And finally, here's one you probably haven't heard of, Wakeout. It's a super unique fitness app designed for people who sit all day, whether you're working from home, studying, or just lazy like me sometimes. Wakeout gives you short 1 to 3 minute movement breaks, right at your desk, in bed, or even in the kitchen. No gym, no pressure, just simple movements that boost your energy. Perfect for improving your posture, mood, and focus. And it literally reminds you to move every hour.